friends. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back and we are doing a half up, half down with connecties in the front. This look will be done with completely needle and thread, no glue. So stay tuned while we slay this look. We are using 3 bundles of body wave from KayBee Tresses today to complete this look. If you follow me on my social media, then you know that I said that I was going to drop a gem in my next YouTube video, and here it is. How to flip your tracks when you're doubling them. You simply flip them over one by one and then stitch them down. To ensure a flat finish when doubling tracks during the install, this is exactly what you need to do. Now we're going to be pressing out all of her hair, and this is to help with blending with her extensions and to help with giving us a sleeker finish when we work on the front, basically. Now that everything's pressed out, I'm really just going in with even 24-hour edge control, and that's pretty much it. This style was so sleek, so simple, and just straight to the point. It was bomb. For the most part, everything else is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'ma holla at y'all at the end of the video. Yes, Heyyyyy Tresses. Y'all need to be sure that y'all go shop with them. I love their hair, and you definitely will too. And that is it, friends. We are finished. She loved her look. I loved her look. When I posted this look online, everyone loved it. So I had to be sure to show YouTube this little tutorial on how I achieved this look. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Share this video if you like it that much. And if you got something to tell me, if you got questions, be sure to ask me in the comments. I hope you guys stick around with me, and I will see you in the next video.